inside now at the Maritime Museum. This is a nice gem that you guys have down here in Hyannis. And I'm with Samantha Nodick and Taylor Irwin. And Samantha, we're going to talk about current exhibits, and you have a new exhibit as well.
Yes, we do. My name's Samantha. I'm the Collections and Exhibits Manager for the Cape Cod Maritime Museum. Right now we're standing in one of our exhibit galleries that's currently home to our Women's History exhibit, all about the trailblazing women of Cape Cod and some of their awesome achievements in the maritime world. On the other side of this wall is our newest exhibit that opened last month. It's all about the dredging of the Cape Cod Canal, the digging of it from its early days when it was just a river and two herring ponds. Two rivers and a herring pond, sorry, all the way through to the modern day and the plans for the new bridges.
That is really cool. There's so much history here. Taylor, let's talk about this program you have here for kids and what that's all about.
Definitely, yeah. So I'm the director for the Young Mariner program, and that is a STEM-based summer camp run right here at the museum. We do a lot of different things. Our goal is to get kids out on the water to enjoy Cape Cod's rich maritime history and heritage. We have a 4-day program, and each day we talk about different things such as marine biology here on Cape Cod. We talk about navigating on board vessels, and we do a little bit of sailing as well. So
I think it's so cool that 2 young women are involved in this. And how important is it to kind of bring in the next generation?
So important, so critical. You know, places like this die out when people lose interest, you know, when we lose members, when we lose donors, and it's so important to keep this history going, keep this area rich with its history, keep people knowing about it, and knowing that places like this exist.
And if someone wants to come visit here, do they get a guided tour? How does kind of a typical visit work?
Yeah, so they can come on inside, and you get a very brief overview of the museum itself.
And then it's all self-guided. Wander freely. We have a ton of exhibits on this floor. We have our working boat shop downstairs with our boat ride, and outside we have our collection of historic Cape Cod watercraft.
Favorite exhibit for you?
Oh goodness, the newest one.
Yeah.
The dredging. It's my first major exhibit. We have an amazing diorama in the middle of it, a really cool interactive folks can try right next to that. So it's some pretty interesting history that not everybody realizes they're driving over every day.
And what do you get from the kids, the kind of reaction when you kind of tell them all about stuff that's in their backyard?
They are amazed a lot of the times. We do a lot of species ID. They have no idea about a lot of the species we have here in Lewis Bay. They have no idea about the boats that we have, the Cape Cod specific boats in our boat shed out back. They're really amazed, and they really, really enjoy it.
I've never been out on the water.
Yeah, a lot of them haven't been on the water, and they're from Cape Cod, a lot of them. So
get them on out there, and come on down to the Cape Cod Maritime Museum. This is really a beautiful place. They do such important work here. We're back after a quick break.